This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, turn the mower off, remove the spark plug boot, and keep the ignition key nearby. Once done, warm the engine for 3–5 minutes so idle is stable. This matters because metal and fuel behavior change with temperature. Make sure you have a tachometer and basic hand tools, and position the mower on level ground. Next, identify the governor arm, throttle linkage, and the carburetor idle screw so you can access them without bending. This step speeds the adjustment and prevents surprises. You now make controlled changes. Mount the tachometer on the engine or blade shaft and read idle RPM and full throttle RPM. First, loosen the governor arm lock nut and adjust the linkage length in small steps. The governor limits top speed, so you change it only slightly. Then start the engine, hold throttle at target setting, and tweak the carburetor idle screw in 1/8 turn increments. After each move, let the engine settle. Recheck RPM with the tachometer, and note the change so you can reverse if needed. You finish by setting RPM to the manufacturer's recommended numbers and tightening all lock nuts so nothing moves. Once done, test the mower under load by cutting a short strip of grass to confirm RPM holds and blades run safely. If RPM is too high, lower the governor linkage slightly. If it surges or lacks power, make one key check. Inspect the governor spring tension, look for vacuum or air leaks around the carburetor, and clean the jetting. These common issues explain most adjustment failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.